Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen on your DELL Chromebook 3400. To use a split screen feature on your laptop, first open two different applications at the same time, and now in order to open them in split screen mode, you're gonna have to drag the top bar of any of the windows and drag it to one of the sides of your laptop. Then just select another window to put it into the other part. Then you'll be able to adjust the size of each window by dragging this bar between them. You can also hover over the square icon in the top right corner of the window and select more alignments from here. But the maximum amount of applications we can put on our screen at the same time is 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.